Okay, so just a quick video about notation. So this is notation that we're going to use kind of early in the semester. We're going to use it basically to go through the calculations for variance. And then we're going to add to this later on. But for now, this is the notation that you need to be familiar with and be comfortable with using because you're going to need this to perform the variance calculations. All right, so anytime you see the letter Y refers to a score, and that's going to be the case for this entire class. Anytime I ask you a score, I'm talking about a Y. If you see a little number next to the Y, that's referring to a specific score. Okay, so Y1 is the score of subject 1. Y2 is the score of subject 2, and so on. So Y18 would be the score of subject 18. This sign right here, this symbol is the Greek letter sigma. And when you see this symbol, it means that you're going to get a sum. All right, so you're going to add some things up. N is the number of subjects. Now, a couple of these things, sigma and N, we're going to add to that throughout the semester, but for now, just assume that N refers to the number of subjects. And then Y with this line above it, we call this Y bar. So when I talk about this, I'm going to refer to it as the Y bar. And anytime you see a bar or this line over the top of a letter, it has the same meaning. It's called a bar, and it means that you're going to calculate the mean. So Y bar is the mean of Y's. So if we had X bar, that's the mean of X's. A bar is the mean of A's. Anytime you see a bar or this line over a letter, it means you're going to calculate the mean. All right, so Y is the score, a number next to it refers to a specific score, sigma is the sum, N is the number of subjects, and Y bar is the mean. So kind of putting a lot of this stuff together, not that you need to memorize formulas, but kind of putting a lot of this stuff together, Y bar, which is the mean, is equal to the sum of the Y's divided by N. So mean of Y is equal to the sum of the Y's divided by N.